Hey, this is Sridhar from wpdevdesign.com. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview of the upcoming members-only tutorial for Oxygen users. This is about a custom YouTube video carousel using pods and owl. So this is the carousel in action. We can press the left and right arrow keys to go one video at a time, or you can also click this to scroll left and right. And clicking on this image or the thumbnail with the play icon is going to play the video in a light box. Hey, this is Sridhar from Tab. So the way that we're going to do this is to create a custom post type called video using pods, and this custom post type is going to have a video URL custom field. So we're going to add some entries and make sure that each of them has a video URL specified, and we're going to set this up such that if a featured image is present, then it will be shown as the video thumbnail on the front end rather than automatically fetching the thumbnail from the YouTube video. Okay, see you on the inside. Bye for now.